Don't download Carbon Collective Sustainable Investing app before watching this. If you're considering Carbon Collective for sustainable investing, pause for a moment. Many people assume that because it's focused on risk and climate-conscious portfolios, it's automatically the best choice, but the surprising truth is that there are some limitations you need to understand before investing your money. Carbon Collective promotes itself as a platform that allows you to invest in companies aligned with sustainability goals like clean energy, ethical labor practices, and low carbon initiatives. While that sounds appealing, most people get this wrong. The app offers a limited selection of pre-built portfolios. You don't get full control over picking individual stocks, ETFs, or sectors. This means if you want to tailor your investments or exclude certain companies, your options are constrained. Another key point is fees. Carbon Collective charges a management fee, which covers portfolio rebalancing and desk research. For beginners with smaller accounts, this fee can take a noticeable bite out of your returns. Over time, those fees compound, which is important to factor in when evaluating long-term growth. On the plus side, the platform is very user-friendly. Its interface is clean, the onboarding process is simple, and it provides educational insights about investing, which is helpful if you're new to sustainable portfolios. Automated rebalancing ensures your portfolio stays aligned with sustainability goals without constant intervention. However, it's not ideal for investors looking for advanced analytics or deep research tools. You won't find detailed stock analysis, sector-level insights, or sophisticated risk metrics here. This makes it better suited for long-term, hands-off investors rather than active traders. In conclusion, don't download Carbon Collective expecting a fully customizable, zero-fee investment platform. It's a solid choice if your priority is simple, sustainable investing and you value risk alignment over full control. But if you want more flexibility, lower fees, or advanced analytical tools, you may want to explore other platforms. Knowing these limitations upfront will help you make an informed decision and align your investments with your financial and ethical goals.